Think of energy as the currency of the universe. It's what pays for a star to shine, a car to drive, and your own heart to beat. And the single most important rule of this currency is that it can never be created or destroyed. It only ever changes hands or changes form. This is the law of conservation of energy. Consider a simple light bulb. When you flip the switch, you aren't creating light, you're transforming electrical energy into two new forms: light energy, which is the useful part, and thermal energy, the wasted heat you feel. If you could measure both, they would perfectly add up to the electricity that went in. Nature's accounting is always perfect, which is why perpetual motion is impossible. Now, there's a key distinction here. When energy changes form, like electricity becoming light, that's a transformation. But when it simply moves from one object to another, like the kinetic energy from a moving billiard ball slamming into a stationary one, that's a transfer. Most transformations aren't perfectly efficient. That old incandescent bulb wasted most of its energy as heat. A modern 10-watt LED is much brighter because it's a master of transformation, turning nearly all of its energy into useful light. So how does this energy travel across vast distances? It hitches a ride on waves. Light and sound are both energy waves, but they have a critical difference. Sound needs something to travel through. It's the physical bumping of atoms. Light is an electromagnetic wave and can cross the vacuum of space. That's why we can see the sun's brilliant light, but we can't hear the colossal nuclear explosions happening on its surface. From the cosmic to the microscopic, it's all just energy, endlessly changing its outfit.